Welcome to BSTL Farms in Owu, Ijebu, in Ogun State here. Right here in this compound, we are breeding broilers between capacity of 3,000 birds. We have just sold some, and this is what we have. What we have there is just about 1,000, which we are planning to sell tomorrow. We already have the buyer that are coming to buy them in bulk. Right in this compound, we also have the cow rearing over there, which we have started for quite some time now, almost 6 years or 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. It's over 10 years now, the cow. But still the year, this is about the third batch, Tamashi. Baba de she clearly, then we'll start another one. We have another smaller brooding pen, long after the cow. But this is where we'll finish everything till we dispose them off. And one day, some of them were reduced because during the layer thing, a lot has been sold for the layer festival. So, but most of our own they are the female one, and they are all pregnant. I have my elder brother is there. I'm in charge of cow while I'm managing the poultry farm. So everything is in this enclosure. The town is peaceful, no problem, no challenge. We have a lot of Fulani living around us there. Procedure, and they have been here for years. There's some they are going, but they married. They married the Fulani, their children. Oti dagbaton ti fe oko. Ti àwọn Yoruba Ijebu náà ti tún fẹ́ Fulani obìnrin. So we are living in harmony. During the layer, you will see all of them here. So this is like center. They all come here with their children. If you even wait a little bit now, you see their wives coming in with their children, coming to watch television. So we are living in peace and harmony here. So there is relatively peace in Owu here.